on, Divyanshi? Divyanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start this question. Practice zone 2. Page number 42, practice zone 2. Write down today's date first of all and then classwork. Okay, Divyanshi, now Divyanshi is going to tell where we will put capital letters. Okay. Okay, in William Shakespeare, W will be capital and S will be capital. Okay. Then
मैम मैंने मैम आपको व्हाट्सएप में सेंड किया है.
Okay. Divyanshi, continue करो इसको.
Yes, ma'am. The famous playwright had a great understanding of human
nature. Right. Listen, students, write this line, turn on your back cameras and write this first line. Likho first line ko, page number 42. Write this first line. You have to rewrite the paragraph. Listen this thing. Okay. You have to write the paragraph again. So write the first line. William Shakespeare, W will be capital, S will be capital. William Shakespeare, the famous playwright, had a great understanding of human nature. Full stop. Okay, Divyanshi, after that.
ma'am. Start.
Okay, after that, what will come?
Whether he wrote
about in whether W will be capital or it will be small, Divyanshi.
Small.
Sorry, in whether W will be small or it will be capital.
Capital.
Okay, because in the beginning of a sentence, what do we use? We use the first word that is always capital. Okay, beginning of the sentence, the first word is always capital. So whether may put capital word, capital W here. W ko capital karo. Whether he wrote about. Okay, after that, page number 42. Samar, how many times I have to tell you this thing? 42 page number. Again and again, same thing you are asking in the class. Please be attentive in the class. Okay. Be attentive in the class and listen to me carefully. Okay. Divyanshi is doing this question. Okay. So please listen to her carefully and be attentive in the class. Same question should not be asked by 5 or 6 students. Same question. Okay. So page number 42. Once again, page number 42. Practice zone number 2. Your chapter number 3 is going on. Okay, Divyanshi. Roman. Okay. Okay. Roman will tell me R will be capital or not.
Ma'am, capital.
Okay. R will be capital. In the emperors, E will be capital. Okay. Okay, Shiva. Then Roman emperors, R will be capital, E will be capital. Okay. Like Divyanshi.
Capital. Ma'am, capital.
Okay. Like me, L will be small. Like Julius, J will be capital. Caesar, C will be capital. Or Danish, D will be capital. Okay. These are proper nouns. Yesterday I told you this thing that the first word of proper noun is always capital. Yesterday I told this thing, and I think difference between proper and common noun is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
The difference between proper and common noun is clear to all. Sabhi ko clear hai? What is the difference between proper and common noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now kings. Okay. So Danish D will be capital and kings K will be capital, such as Hamlet, H will be capital. Very good, Akshita Rana. Book is clearly visible to me. Shana, book is clearly visible. Okay, Arushi, very good. Anshika, Dogra, Priya, very good, beta. So, D will be capital. Hamlet, H will be capital. Then comma, each of his characters came alive on stage. Full stop. Okay. After full stop, first word is always capital. T will be capital. To dine, one shall be true. is a line from Hamlet. H will be capital. Okay, proper noun. A
Ma'am,
play
repeat
written by
again.
William. Okay, but it's nothing has changed. Only two. TU2 is written. Make it capital. Make the word T capital. Okay, T will be capital. To thine own shall be true is a line from Hamlet. Hamlet is a proper noun, so make it capital. H will be capital. Hamlet, a play written by William Shakespeare. W will be capital and as Shakespeare will be capital. Okay, first word will be capital. Very good, Vritti. Very good, Aryan. Good, beta. Ritesh, good. Okay, full stop. Through, T will be capital. Through his characters, he showed the foolishness of human nature. Okay, this was very simple. Okay, I told you this thing that the first word is always capital. After full stop, the first word that is always capital. Proper noun is always capital. Okay, a river. Suppose I am saying summer, 1400 summer. Suppose summer, I say a river. Okay, getting my point? Summer समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, Summer, unmute your microphone. Okay, Summer, suppose if I say,
I'm done, Priya.
okay, nobody will say that, ma'am, I have done. Okay, you have done, then we will move to the next question. Okay, let me ask from Summer. Summer, suppose I say river. Okay, suppose I say boys. Okay, suppose I say boys. Don't interrupt, beta, please. Let me ask from Summer. Summer, suppose I say boys. Okay, then boys, and I say this is Summer. Okay, Summer is a boy. Suppose I say Summer is a boy. A boy is proper noun hai, or is it a common noun? Boy, मैंने बोला boy. Okay, then you tell me, Summer, is it proper noun or common noun? अगर suppose मैंने बोला river, Summer. Suppose I say river, मैंने बोला river. और मैंने बोल दिया rivers. Okay, फिर मैंने बोला गंगा. गंगा is a sacred river. अब मुझे बताओ river proper है या common noun है? Okay, बताओ river जो है वो proper noun है या common noun है? कल बताया, कल, yesterday I told you this.
River है.
कल बताया. अच्छा, रिवर प्रॉपर है. और गंगा, गंगा इज अ सेक्रेड रिवर. गंगा क्या है? व्हाट इज गंगा? इतना क्यों सोच रहे हो? व्हाई यू आर थिंकिंग सो मच? इट इज क्वाइट इजी.
Can Akshita tell?
वेट अ मिनट. समर बहुत सोच रहा है. लेट हिम थिंक. समर. ओके अक्षिता.
Ma'am, Ganga
Okay.
is.
गंगा.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Akshita.
Ma'am, Ganga is proper
Okay.
noun and
Okay.
river is common.
Okay, very good. Ganga is a proper noun because it specifies a particular thing. वो किसी पर्टिकुलर को बता रहे तो गंगा. अब रिवर्स तो बहुत ज्यादा है. ओके, रिवर्स आर सो मच, बट गंगा के पर्टिकुलर रिवर को बता रहे कि गंगा इज अ पर्टिकुलर रिवर. ओके, सो इट इज अ proper noun. Particular and proper noun begins with capital letters. Remember this thing. हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेम आ रहा है, कैपिटल लिख दो. जगह का नाम है, कैपिटल लिख दो. पर क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर प्रॉपर नाउन्स. ओके, तो प्रॉपर नाउन्स क्या होते हैं? दे बिगिन विद कैपिटल लेटर्स. ओके, practice on 2. I think you all have done. Okay, now
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
okay, beta.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, very good. Come to practice zone 3. Okay, now your revision of active and passive voice is there. Okay, I will ask from you because I have made you understand very clearly. Okay, first question from Sejal 3295.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sejal, take out your page number 45,
Yes, ma'am.
page number 45, then practice zone 3. Sejal, read out.
Yes, ma'am. Change the following sentences from active voice to passive voice. First, he sing a song.
Yes, change it to passive voice.
A song has sung by him.
Yesterday I told you, please go through your active and passive voice. Had I? Listen, no, Sejal will say only, okay? Let Sejal speak. Sejal, yesterday I told you this thing that please go through your active and passive voice. Am I right? कल मैंने बोला था. Yesterday I told you this thing. अब Sejal, look at this sentence. देखो sentence को. What is written?
Ma'am, he sing a song.
Sings a song. He sings a song. अब बेटा sings a song. It means what type of tense it is? ये कौन सा tense है? He sings a songs. Present indefinite. Okay. Present indefinite. For present and indefinite, what do we use? ये बताओ. Present indefinite के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Sejal. Sejal. For present indefinite, what do we use, beta? Is MR. Okay, Sejal, got it?
Yes.
Is MR.
Ma'am, can I
Now,
repeat?
Sejal. Okay, now Sejal. No, Sejal will say, beta. ऐसे नहीं. Let Sejal say.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, song is sung by him.
A song is sung by him. Okay, good. A song is sung by him. Write down. A song is sung by him. Okay. Sejal, now tell me, did you understand? समझ में आया कैसे किया?
Yes,
Ma'am,
क्या देखा? First of all, what did you see? Sejal, first of all, what did you see? क्या देखा आपने first of all?
ma'am, your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking. Okay. Listen, first of all, you have to see what type of tense it is. Okay. He sings a song means it is a present indefinite tense. For present indefinite tense, what do we use? We use is, am, and are. Okay. Now, Pratyush, B. Write down a song is sung by him. He changes to him. Pratyush, B part. ये इतने easy है. I don't think there should be any problem. Okay, क्योंकि हमने इतना ज़्यादा किया है active and passive. Okay, still you are facing problem, then that is very shameful. Okay, B part, Pratyush.
A parcel is received by me.
First of all, read the sentence. Read the sentence. करो इसको read.
I received a parcel.
Okay. I received a parcel. अब करो इसको, change it to passive voice.
A parcel is received by me.
What should I say to you, Pratyush? No, Pratyush will say, I received a parcel. First of all, see this. What type of tense it is? कौन सा tense है ये? क्या लिखा है इसमें? What is written? What verb is used here? Received. Received is written. Received. फिर क्या होगा प्रत्युष? Past indefinite tense है प्रत्युष. क्या मैंने? What thing I told you yesterday कि please go through your active and passive voice. Still 0. Shranav, your answer is wrong.
हम करेगा?
No, प्रत्युष ही करेगा try and प्रत्युष will.
A parcel was received by me.
अब कैसे ठीक हुआ तुम्हारा?
Ma'am.
नो, मैम कोई नहीं बोलेगा. अब बताओ प्रत्युष, अब कैसे ठीक हुआ? ये बताओ. प्रत्युष?
मैम क्योंकि ये पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में है।
तो पहले तुमने क्या आंसर दिया? बट आंसर यू गेव फॉर्मली, पहले क्या आंसर दिया आपने? Because this is past indefinite tense, and in the past indefinite tense, what do we use, Pratyush?
मैम both
What
were।
do we was and were? It depends on the subject. Okay, subject is plural, then you will use were, and if the subject is singular, then what you will use? You will use was. Write down, a parcel was received by me. I changes to me. Parcel is singular, akela, so you are using was. A parcel was received by me. Harshit Katoch, C part. Harshit Katoch, C part. 1371. Harshit. Network issues there? Okay, Samar. Samar. Yes, unmute your microphone, Samar. Okay, Harshit or Samar?
Ma'am, Harshit.
Okay, Harshit.
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
Harshit. Better read the C part.
You will never forget this lesson. Ma'am,
Okay, you will
this
not
lesson-
forget this.
this lesson should
Hmm.
be not forgotten by you.
Okay, beta, will changes to
this
would.
lesson-
Okay, will change. Would. This lesson would never be forgotten by you. This lesson would never be forgotten by you. Okay,
Yes.
write down. Priyanka, one. Okay, Priyanka turn was there. Abhay. Abhay.
मैम
Yes, beta, read the D part. Abhay.
यस मैम।
Continue.
मैम डी पार्ट।
Beta, you were not attentive in the class. Were
They
you
have
attentive?
brought a gift for you।
Brought, you will not read it as brought. They have brought. Okay, they have brought a gift for you. Okay, now read it once again.
They have brought a gift for you।
Okay, they have brought a gift for you. Okay, now change it to passive voice, Abhay.
यस मैम। मैम
Hmm.
a gift
Mm-hmm.
has been
Very good.
brought by they for you।
A gift has been brought for you by them. Okay, by them. First word come at the end of the sentence. Okay, write down. You can also write, you have been bought a gift. Okay, you have been bought a gift by them. You have been brought a gift by them. Okay, now Shranav, E part. Shranav, 1430, Shranav.
Yes ma'am।
Now Shranav has.
Yes ma'am।
Okay, now better D part, sorry, E part, read the E part.
They have made the dinner।
Okay, they had made the dinner, very easy. Yes, Shranav. They had made the dinner.
The dinner is being
Hmm.
made by them।
The dinner. Sorry, speak a little bit louder, beta. I'm not able to hear you. Speak a little bit louder.
The dinner is being made by them।
Yes, Shranav. The
The-
dinner.
the-
After dinner, what will come?
The
The dinner.
The dinner is being made by them।
Being तो आएगा नहीं बेटा. Being तो continuous में आता है.
Ma'am,
Bean
she
will
can
not
tell.
come. Okay.
The dinner had been made by them.
The dinner. Okay, very good. The dinner had been made by them. They changes to them. Okay. This is change of pronouns. We have done this thing. Okay. They have made the dinner. The dinner had been made by them. Okay. Had के साथ had been लगा दिया. BEING, being. When you will use
Ma'am,
being.
your
when
voice is
sentence.
not
मैम
coming.
फर्स्ट का क्या आंसर होगा? मैम ही सिंग अ सॉन्ग.
Who is asking this very easy sentence? This sentence? किसने? Abhay?
Ma'am,
Abhay, very good, Abhay. He sings a song. A song is sung by him. Okay. देखो बेटा BEING continuous में आता है जब ING is there तब हम BEING use करते हैं. Otherwise has, have, had इनके साथ you will use only been. BEEN, been. Listen this thing. मैं तुम्हें 100 times भी करवा लूं अगर active and passive voice. If you will not revise it, then it will be of no use. No use is there. Okay. अगर तुम रिवाइज नहीं करोगे तो मैं तुम्हें 10 बार करा दूं 20 बार करा दूं तुम्हें नहीं समझ में आएगा क्योंकि रिवाइज तो तुम्हें करना है ना पढ़ना तो तुम्हें है लास्ट में मैंने कितने दिन लगाकर करवाया है और अगर तुमने नहीं पढ़ा उसको तो ओके शिव ठाकुर एफ पार्ट शिव ठाकुर
She will have taken the test.
ओके शी विल हैव टेकन द टेस्ट ओके बेटा शैल शुड में कैन कुड में विल वुड में ओके yes Shiv Thakur.
Yes. The test will have been taken by her.
Beta, what I told you will changes to would. The test
Would.
okay test would
The test
Have.
would have been taken by her.
very good test would have been taken by her. Test would have been taken by her. Okay, now reading comprehension is there. Okay, reading comprehension is there. Okay, now who will read? Let me, okay, Anshika Dogra. Anshika Dogra.
Yes, ma'am.
You read
Yes,
this
ma'am.
reading comprehension and listen student, then after reading this comprehension, then you will have to give the answers, okay? Answer the following question, you will do your, we will discuss in the class first of all. Okay, first of all, let us read the paragraph, okay? Let us read this comprehension part. Okay, carry on beta, continue.
Reading comprehension. A thief hired a room in a tavern and stayed a while in the hope of stealing something that would help him to pay his bills. He had
Beta, listen
waited
this thing.
some
Beta,
days in vain.
listen. धीरे पढ़ो, okay? Because you have to give the answers also, na? So read it slowly. धीरे read करो. Answers भी देने हैं. Okay, now start reading.
When he had waited some days in vain, he saw the innkeeper dressed in a new coat and sitting before his door.
मेरे चादर में.
Beside him and talked
Beta,
with him.
turn off your mics.
As the conversation began to flag, the thief yawned terribly and at the same time howled like a wolf. The innkeeper said, "Why do you howl so fearfully?" "I will tell you," said the thief. "But first let me ask you to hold my clothes, or I shall tear them to pieces." "I know not, sir." When I got his habit of
Beta, I'm
running,
not saying anything.
nor whether these attacks of howling were inflicted on me as a judgment, my crimes, or my any other cause. But I do know that when I yawn for the third time, I actually turn into a wolf and attack man. With his speech, he commenced a second fit, yawning and again hold like a wolf.
Listen, beta.
As he
Read
had
this comprehension very carefully. Okay.
The innkeeper, hearing his tale and believing what he said, became greatly alarmed and rising from his seat, attempted to run away. The thief laid hold of his coat and entreated him to stop, saying, "Private sir, and hold my clothes, or I shall tear them to pieces in my fury when I turn into a wolf." At the same moment, he yawned the third time and set up a terrible howl. The innkeeper, frightened lest he should be attacked, left his new coat in the thief's hand and ran as fast as he could into the inn for safety. The thief made off with the coat and did not return again to the inn. Moral: every tale is not to be believed.
Okay, very good, Anshika Dogra. Now tell me, Anshika, what you have read in this? Would you like to summarize it? Summarize karo isko.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to summarize, beta. What was in this comprehension? Okay. After that, Akshita Rana, you will summarize it. Okay. First of all, let Anshika try, and after that, Akshita Rana. Okay, what you read in this comprehension? Summarize it, beta.
Ma'am, a thief had a room in a tavern and stayed a while in the hope of stealing something.
Okay. So that he could pay his bills. Okay. So he hired a room. Okay. After that?
When he had waited some days in vain,
Okay.
he saw the innkeeper dressed in a new and handsome coat.
Okay. Anshika, maybe some network problem is there, not clearly audible to me. Not clearly audible to me. Akshita Rana. Akshita Rana, what is in this story? In this comprehension? Summarize it. After that, Arushi, you will summarize it, okay?
Of stealing something so that he could help him to pay his bills.
Okay.
And when he had waited some days in vain, he saw the innkeeper dressed in a new and handsome coat.
Actually, he wanted to steal that coat. Akshita, what do you think? The thief wanted to steal that coat, the new handsome coat of innkeeper. What do you think? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? Okay, okay, very good. Actually, the thief finally decided to steal innkeeper's coat. Okay.
Yes.
Then.
Ma'am, the thief sat down beside him and talked with him. As the conversation began to flag, the thief yawned terribly and at the same time howled like a wolf.
Tavern, first word is written tavern. Tavern क्या होता है? T-A-V-E-R-N. Tavern क्या होता है? What is tavern? Anyone from you? Anyone from the class can tell me what is tavern? T-A-V-E-R-N. Tavern क्या होता है? It is written ना tavern. Tavern होता है सराय. Okay? सराय means inn. I-double-N. Inn बोलते हैं ना? तो वो सराय होती है रहने के लिए जो place है. That is called सराय or inn. Tavern you can say. Okay? वो tavern है. Okay. Okay, good Akshita. Let me ask from Arushi also. Okay, Arushi, now tell me.
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
Or Arushi, you tell me what is written in this paragraph, in this composition. What is written?
Ma'am,
Because
your voice is cracking.
Okay, because if you are able to understand the composition, then only you can give the answers. Okay. If you are able to understand the composition, what is written in this paragraph, then only you can give the answer. Otherwise, you can't give the answers. So, Arushi, you tell me what is written in this composition, reading comprehension. क्या लिखा है इसमें? What is the story behind it? A very interesting story. Anyone from the class? Anyone from the class who is able to comprehend the story? Pratyush, then Vanshika, Priyanshi, Divyansh. Vanshika, would you try? Samar, Ritesh Kumar, anyone from your class would like to try? क्या लिखा है स्टोरी में? क्या था? क्या था इस स्टोरी में? Vanshika, 1886, Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me, beta, क्या था इस स्टोरी में? What was in the story? And beta, how you have to summarize? You have to summarize like this. कैसे आप summarize करोगे? You will summarize. This is a story of a thief. Okay, this is a story of a thief. He hired a room in the tavern. Okay, because he hoped to steal something so that he would be able to pay the bills. ऐसे करके story सुनाओगे आप. Okay, there was a thief. He hired a room in the tavern because he wanted to, in the hope, he hired a room in a tavern in a hope to steal something so that he would be able to pay the bills. At that time, he sat down with the innkeeper because he had seen him wearing a very handsome coat and the thief wanted to steal the coat. Okay, then thief narrated a story. Okay, what was the story? वो आपने बतानी है मुझे. Okay, and I have given a story.
There was a thief that we would like to think that we hope to steal
In the hope
steal
of,
is in the hope of steal something that would